This graph shows the motion of a simple pendulum consisting of a microbit swinging on the end of a piece of string. A sensor in the microbit allows it to record readings of its acceleration at the rate of 100 readings per second. Let's see how it is done using iLOG data logging software. First, connect the microbit to the computer. Then set up a logging session in the welcome box. Collecting data, select Remote Logging, choose the sensors and the logging time. Then you're ready to send the code to the microbit. Press button A to start logging. Then allow the microbit to swing freely during the 3 seconds countdown. When you are ready to collect the data, reconnect the microbit and go to the welcome box again. Select Download from Logger, click Ready and select the most recent file. Now we can count the oscillations recorded in 5 seconds and measure the period using the time interval tool. Here is the data for a half-length pendulum. There are more oscillations and the period is shorter. Now data for a double-length pendulum. Fewer oscillations and a longer period. When we combine the 3 sets of data, we can see that we have to increase the length of the pendulum 4 times to double the period of oscillation. iLOG has many tools for analysing data and making graphs come alive.